Hey guys, welcome back. New here. Today we're going to talk about pixels, some upcoming updates. We're also going to do some token analysis later on. Also play some Kuroro Ranch. We're going to discuss how you can play this and also what can you get from playing Kuroro Ranch. And yeah, if you like this kind of videos, make sure you hit like and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. We recently had an AMA and the team said that they are focused more on chapter 2.5, which is also gonna fix game economy, also to fix coin inflation and then resource inflation. This will likely happen on the third week of October. They also want to unrug lands, making more utility to the lands, and some other changes actually that will help the game economy. Right now, based on my experience, I'm earning like 30 to 40 pixel every day. And I think it's important to know that there are some things that could probably contribute to how you are earning pixels. So currently I am level 354. Mostly I get my pixels from VIP tasks. So let's discuss what can you do to actually get more pixel tasks. For me, the first thing is to actually level up in game. So right now I have 4 level 50s and then some other level 30 plus levels. Yeah, I think it's a good level to grind the task board, given that I could get like 8 pixel tasks every once in a while. But yeah, the most important thing about doing tasks is you actually need to make sure that you leave a 24-hour window before you open your task board again in the next day. So what I'm doing is actually take note of the time when I last opened the task board and then play again the next day after 24 hours. And yeah, I get more pixel tasks doing that kind of routine every day. Yesterday was my day off in playing pixel. So later on, I'm going to play for October 5th task board and hopefully get more pixel. But yeah, that's how I do it, guys. Leave a 24-hour window from when you open your task board, and that should refresh every pixel tasks that you may have. Also, it's good to actually set certain limits when it comes to doing a task board. In my case, what I do is have a limit for 20,000 coins per task, and if a certain task goes over 20,000 coins, then I'm not going to finish or complete that task. So let me actually give you an idea of how I calculate everything here. So currently the 3-month VIP is around 280 pixel, and the current value of the VIP 3 months is actually 9,500,000. So if we are going to calculate 279, that's probably around 34,000 per pixel. So considering that you have invested 279 pixel, that is actually currently valued as 34,000 coins per pixel. So what I actually do here is set a certain limit, say 20,000 coins per task. Only spend an average of 15,000 to 20,000 coins per pixel that I get from the task board. So yeah, I think this is very profitable considering that the current ratio of pixel to coins is actually around 34,000 coins. We are down 23%. I have discussed about this in my last video that we have a resistance right here that we needed to break. So the same exact scenario happened on what I have discussed. We did not break this resistance right here. That's why we are down 20%. So currently we are in the support, which is probably safe, but we actually need to have some buying power here so we can go back again and try to retest this resistance. Again, if we break this resistance right here at around 17 cents, we are going to have around 80% increase if we reach the 32 cents price. If we break the support, it's going to be a bearish scenario. So going to Kuroro Ranch, I believe you have already seen my post about Kuroro Ranch. This is a Telegram game, and currently we are having some spike when it comes to tap to earn games, and probably it is because it's very easy to play. It's not time consuming. There's a lot of rewards from legit developers like this Kuroro Ranch, and we're gonna discuss about that. Checking on the previous announcement from their Discord, we can see here that they have opened this raffle thing inside the game. that will actually give you some treasure eggs and some fairy tickets. Very expensive right now and currently valued as $504 per silver ticket. You can actually get a chance to get this every day by playing Kuroro Ranch. And aside from that, you can also get this mystery eggs. I've been playing for 3 to 4 days now, and I think this will probably have some value because it's rare to get this. To demonstrate the game, this is your pet, and for your pet to be happier and generate coins for you, you need to feed your pet with these gems that you have. And what it does is level up your pet, which could also give you some raffle tickets. So what I'm doing right now is trying to level up and see if we can get raffle tickets. Okay, so we have one here, one raffle ticket after leveling up. Now the other way around to get raffle tickets is to check the boosters tab, and then every day you can buy these boosters. And what I recommend is always buying all of these. It's very cheap if you have upgraded your industries. I always buy this every day, and then from there you just need to click the airdrop and then click on redeem tickets. Okay, so now that I have 2 tickets, I have the chance to get this golden egg, and then also I have the chance to get this Kuroro Beast fairy tickets, so I can see some tokens as well, or Koro tokens. And yeah, I have a bronze treasure egg this time, so let's just keep going since I still have 1 ticket right here. Okay, just a little bit to the right and I would have gotten the silver ticket. So yeah, I guess this is all in this video, guys. If you want to play and try this game, go ahead and check the comments and description. I will leave the link there for you to start playing this. Very simple, very easy game. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you, guys.